guys, welcome back to my channel. It has been a hot minute, but if you're new here, I'm Anna Nicole, and as you can kind of still hear my voice, I'm not 100% yet, but I took last week off because I was not feeling the best, and now yeah, I'm trying to make up for it. I have a fun video today and a bunch of videos coming up. I'm actually going on a trip, and no way in the world I was not gonna vlog this. But yeah, so right now or this entire vlog will be kind of like preparing for this trip, which is very last minute for this vlog because I'm going on a trip tomorrow morning. Like, my flight is at 7:30 in the morning. So yeah, this whole video will be preparing. I haven't packed or anything. The only thing I've done is my hair. I'm going to go get my nails done right now, so that's where we are about to go. And then I want to get my lashes done too, so I'm going to take you guys along with me to do all of that. And I also want to stop by Walmart to get a few things because I am flying. I haven't been on a flight in, I don't really know how long. It's been a while, I think. I can't quite remember, but yeah, I need to find a park and then I will update you guys. Okay, I've actually never been to this nail place, so I don't know if they're good or not, but we're gonna figure this out together. And I'm trying to hurry up and walk because I think the mall closes in like 2 hours, which is where I go to get my brows and lashes and stuff done. So let's make this quick. All right, I am leaving. That was very relaxing. I would definitely go back. I said it was my first time going when I went there the first time. And yeah, I would definitely go back. I give her a 9.5 out of 10. I know sometimes French tips could be hard to do, but that's what I got, by the way. I got French tips. I know that could be hard to do, to make all of them even, but she did a pretty good job. I give her like a 9 to a 9.5 out of 10, somewhere between there. And yeah, now I'm trying to race to the mall to see if I can actually get my lashes done. And I'll talk to you guys whenever I get there because I am definitely racing. Yeah, as you can see, it's gotten darker. Actually, it looks darker than it normally would because it was raining today. But so anyways, I didn't get my nails done because of work, and I'm always like using my hands and everything. Honestly, I really feel like it would be such a waste of time for me to get my nails done because I know they're going to be messed up like soon. So I'm going to just, you know, put a nice clear coat or maybe even a cream coat on top of my nails, and yeah, just rock with them like that. Okay, I'm back home, and I didn't really vlog that much while I was out. I went to Walmart, but I'll give you a haul of everything that I got from Walmart. And then when I went to the mall, obviously I didn't get my lashes done because the girl who messed up my brows, if you missed that video, definitely watch that video, but the girl who messed up my brows was the only one in there, and I am not letting her touch my face anymore. So I was just like, you know what, a little mascara will go a long way this weekend. But yeah, so now I'm back home and I'm cleaning my sheets, and I already cleaned my comforter, so I'm gonna put this on here, and I cleaned my pillowcases, so I'm gonna put that on there. But yeah, now I just need to clean my apartment, shower, and eat some dinner, and then I'm gonna head out and go to Andie's apartment because I'm actually staying at Andie's apartment for the night, and we're riding up to the airport early tomorrow. Oh, I don't know if I said that, but yeah, this trip is with Andie, so you guys are gonna see Andie again. But yeah, so right now I'm about to straighten up my apartment a little bit. Cleaning, like I just have those dishes right there that I need to clean, and yeah, other than the dishes and the trash, actually I am done. All right, well that's good. Anyway, so now I can give you guys a haul of everything that I got. I got these just because I love bringing these on planes with me. They're such an easy snack. I also got these to bring as a snack. And I'm gonna take some out of both of those. But I also got some peach rings. For some reason, I'm always in the mood for like gummy candy whenever I'm on the plane, so I got that too. Then I just got some things to go in my carry-on. Cotton rounds, a new toothbrush and toothpaste, native deodorant, and I actually got 2 of these because I love this deodorant so much. And then I got the Dove shower gel, makeup wipes, and then some lotion. And then from TJ Maxx, I got hair clips. I was looking for a black biker short set, and they didn't have one. So the girls showed me this one, and I was like, oh my gosh, it's so cute. All right, so this top did not come with it, but she paired it together, and I thought it would be really cute. So it's this top with these shorts. Isn't that cute? These shorts. And then this is the top that came with it, which also is cute too. So then this top goes with it as well. So I knew to do this part off camera, but I figured out what I'm wearing. And I also still have clothes in my bag from when I went home like a month ago. The outfit I'm most excited about, all of these outfits or outfit ideas I kind of got from Pinterest, which is why I knew it would take a while. So I didn't even bother to vlog that part. But so the outfit that I just showed you guys that I got from TJ Maxx is what I'm most excited to wear. And I'm going to pair it with my white button-up top and probably my Air Forces. I brought this outfit just to have, you know, something extra. I probably won't wear it because I already have pictures of it on Instagram, but I have these black shorts that are high-waisted that I've never worn before, and I thought it would be cute to pair with like a black low V-neck. I also have this one piece, this black one piece that I have worn before, but I've never gotten a picture of it. I am showered, dishes are clean, bags are packed, and it's time to go to Andie's. She called me like an hour ago and told me to text her when I'm on my way, and an hour is a long time. But everybody knows I'm always fashionably late, so it's not even a surprise. Anyways, I'm just like literally just putting things up last minute. Also, I'm switching my phone case to this one because I thought this one would be cuter, and it also comes with a pop socket, so I'm excited to do that. But yeah, let's hurry up and get on our way.
Sleep. Finish.
Good morning, vlog. It's the next morning. That's why I just said good morning.
It's 4 a.m.
My alarm went off and I didn't hear it.
We're doing great.
Andy goes, what did you say to me this morning? I don't even know what you said. I just heard you talk and I was like, wait.
Good morning, bestie.
Yeah, and apparently my alarm went off and I missed it.
Yeah.
But it's okay because it's time to go.
It's going to be amazing. It's going to be lit.
Gonna be.
My brain's like not even working to process anything.
Mine either, but
stuff's gonna happen.
Yeah, I think we should probably head out soon.
Yeah, probably.
Me being the one that's out on time because I was already dressed.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I'm getting there. I'm getting there.
That was very easy.
Too easy.
Too easy.
We shouldn't be drinking stuff like that.
Oh, we're basically here. Wow, some flights have been canceled though. Sad boy hours.
Every time I try, don't you dare say it.
With American?
Yeah.
This is why I don't fly American. I always fly Delta. But we're not flying Delta today. I like Delta.
Every time I fly, it gets canceled or delayed, so I don't have high hopes.
We don't need that energy here.
My mom said that to me yesterday on the phone.
What?
She said, well, if your flight doesn't get canceled, I'll see you tomorrow. I was like, I don't need that.
But yeah, also, I went into the store and bought headphones because for some reason, every single time I fly, I forget to bring headphones. Guess how much these were? Andy, guess how much these were?
$40.
Good guess.
Thank
It's almost like you were there. But yeah, normally they're 20, so I don't care. But these were 40, so now I will never, ever, ever, ever forget ever again.
They better be
in my life.
Nope, they're not.
They're not AirPods.
Off brand.
Yeah, but it's okay. So now I have like 4 pair of wireless headphones.
Wow.
You would think I would remember, but it's okay. And that's really the only update we have now. And I'm gonna edit this video, probably make some TikToks while we sit here and wait, and embarrass Andie a little bit more.
And it's almost 6 a.m. How are you gonna embarrass me?
By making my TikToks.
You do your TikToks. If that makes you happy. I'm vibing. It's not even 6 a.m. yet. My brain don't work.
Yeah, it's not even 6 a.m. yet, and I'm wide awake. This is like my energy level right now. But all right, I'll talk to you guys later. Right. Superior.
Everybody has their own apple juice drink. Comment what your apple juice drink is.
Your airplane drink. So we are actually in Chicago now. We're at the Chicago airport, and we have to go get our bags because for some reason they didn't allow us to take our carry-ons on. We had to like check it in and everything, and it's not because the flight was like, not because it was full. Like I know sometimes planes will do that, or airlines will do that if it's full, but just because of our specific ticket, we weren't able to do carry-on. We had to check our bags in, which was very weird and kind of annoying because I like to keep my stuff together. But yeah, so now we have to go pick that up, and I'm waiting on Andie to get out of the restroom so that we could do that. And I don't know where we're going next, but I will keep you updated.
Shady's back.
I already updated them. I told them how they took our bag. They didn't let us bring our bag on there. Honestly, this airline is ghetto.
Don't fly United.
Don't fly United.
We sat in the emergency row and everything.
Yeah, they expected me to save a life, and I couldn't even have my bag on the plane. One of the first times I've ever flown. Yeah, so I haven't been here since like 2019.
Have you seen like the underground? International.
YouTube content?
Nailed. I'll tell you something.